Once you're here, it's as easy as just typing in some search words. You need to think about what are the most significant words in what you're looking for, so these and ands and so on are not useful. I know that some of you are doing a topic about Augustine and happiness. I'm going to put those two words in for starters. Let's see what we get. Oh, that's a shame. Got nothing. Often less is actually more. So let's just try searching for Augustine. And this time we've got 160 results. It's a lot of books to look through to see which one is actually going to be useful to you. So I'm going to just show you a little tip here. On the side here, there's some different ways that you can limit the search results. That means it gets rid of things that are not relevant. So you might only want to have books, which is a good idea for this activity. But what I really want to point out to you is this section here where it says FSP, standing for Foundation Studies Program, Reserve, Overnight Loan. These are books that have been selected by your teachers to be the most relevant to things done in the Foundation Studies Program. And how about that? We're down to 7 results. And each of those you'll find are only available in our high use collection. I'll show you what I mean by that. Let's click on this first title. Foundation Studies Program, Reserve Overnight Loan. That's the shelf number and it's in the high use collection. If it was in the general library collection, it would just say Leeper Library or Book Collection. If it was a fiction book, it would say it's in the fiction collection, but obviously you're not looking for fiction books here. In our next video, we'll show you how to get from here to the actual book on the shelf.